So it's the first time that we are going to a wood factory in Singapore. We didn't know what to expect when we went to Timber Actually's factory in Sungai Kadut, which is the far north of Singapore.
Sana, rain tree is actually not the best. So whenever people ask us rain tree, they like rain tree because the rains are very nice. But if you ask me personally, I don't have any rain tree.
We took an interest to come down to this wood factory because what they do is they upcycle wood from Singapore for Singapore. Timber actually gathers the logs, processes the logs and turns them into masterpieces for use in homes. I may be wrong, but so far they are the only company working with Ant Parks, Mandai Zoo, Singapore Bird Park to supply these logs to them or turn them into furniture for use in these parks.
This machine is, I think, 1950s.
So some of these machines that they imported from Japan has been in use for 70 plus years. So right now we're walking into this space where they gather the logs like mahogany, rain tree, angsana, and then they'll process them.
Benches. The same thing was done at Bird Park. So it's also done by us. But this you will see maybe next year, June or July.
By putting them into the oven to dry up the moisture in the wood. At this point, it was getting a bit loud, so Vera wanted to walk really fast and she was chasing us out of the factory. Despite the heat, I think it's still a very insightful first-hand experience.
This is the... Some of them are leftover, but some of them are the retail products. For example, side tables like this, and then benches like this, and also shelves like this. So they basically are split into quite a lot of materials. If you see, for the first time looking at all this, you think that it's just wood. One look at it, we will know because we look at it every day.
It just all looks very industrious to me, seeing how these logs are being stacked up and then next they are being processed and the next moment they are turned into these beautiful furniture for homes and offices.
Because they give you a very scanty. If you want to try carrying, this is extremely light. You don't even feel the weight. This is extremely light. But this piece is extremely heavy. So this, you want to try?
This is the geo table, is it?
Yeah, correct. Yeah, all these are, how do you say, very heavy.
Yeah, the geo table.
Yeah, but this is about half the weight.
Sorry, I missed out just now. So what's the reason that it's extremely light?
Its density is,
pine wood.
yeah, density of pine wood is about 300 kg per cubic meter. But for mahogany it's about 700. So the local wood ranges from around 500 to 900 kg per cubic meter. So that's the science behind it.
At this point, Vera was staring down at the boy because she actually left a bingo at the table and the boy went to touch it. So now Bingo follows in all her wood explorations. And then at the end of the tour, they gave us these coasters that are made from angsana and rain tree. Thank you for watching.